5 Best Meat Grinders 2018. Just buy stainless steel meat grinder. New household multifunction meat grinder, high quality stainless steel blade, home cooking machine, Mincer, voltage -220 volts. Power -300 watts. Capacity -1.8 liters. Size: 23 x 23 25 centimeters. 304 stainless steel bowl. 304 stainless steel bore blades. Stainless steel base. Artence multifunctional home manual meat grinder. High quality multifunctional home manual meat grinder for mincing meat/vegetable/spice, hand cranked meat, mincer, sausage. Brand name Artence. Use family. Certifications. Model number 10133. Housing material ABS plastic. Power W0 watts. Usage meat/vegetable/sausage/spice. LUCOG 900 ml manual meat grinder. Chop large pieces of fruit, vegetables, boneless meats, herbs, nuts, and even ice by hand with this handy chopper. Running without electricity, this hand-powered chopper is great for small kitchens, RVs, travel, and camping. Simply place ingredients in the container, twist and lock the lid, and pull the cord to spin the chopping blades. Wash the blades, bowl, and storage lid on the top rack. LUCOG powerful manual meat grinder. Multifunctional and powerful, this speedy manual food chopper will help you cut boneless meats, vegetables, fruits and nuts. Putting the food into the bowl and pulling the rope once can chop food 15 times. Compact to use, this manual food chopper has advantages of simple structure, economy, practicability, compact volume and convenience. It is good for small kitchens, RVs, travel and camping. Artence household multifunction meat grinder. New household multifunction meat grinder, high quality stainless steel blade, home cooking machine, mincer, sausage machine. Brand name Artence. Model number 10013. Use family. Housing material, high quality green plastic. Power W0 watts. Certification European 90/128 grip on test. Color green. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel. Drop a like. Comment and share.